What's up, squidgy slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers? Today we're going to be doing a first clean for somebody that has really dirty frames. Stay tuned. So yes indeed folks, we're going to be using today, I'll show you, this is called G101. So we're going to be adding this into a bucket and just using our brush we're going to be going around all the frames, and I'll show you the condition of the frames at the moment. This is all PVC and you can see this is all green. This hasn't been done for quite some time, and if we look up here you'll see all the dirt along here. This has not been done for quite a wee while, so this is going to need a good scrub. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around all the frames first, and we're going to use the G101 in the bucket just in there, and using the brush go around all the frames first, give it a good scrub, and then connect the pure water and rinse it all down with the pure water and give it a good old scrub. So we might have to dig out the bronze wool as well. I think we will, because it's pretty bad. So we'll see how we get on. So let's get cracking, shall we? Okay folks, just to let you see, we're actually trying out this in the pure water as well. Added Sparkle Original. So it tells you that, let's see, faster cleaning power and rinsing speed. Well, personally I haven't found that. It's exactly the same as before. Some glass becomes more hydrophilic. Fair enough. Reduce spotting issues. Will not alter the TDS. helps brush glide with ease. I didn't find that, it was just the same. Full instructions included, add 1 to 4 milliliters per 100 liters of water. So we're using this stuff in the tank just now just to see if it does actually add any benefits at all. So far, I've not really noticed a huge difference, to be honest, but we'll keep on testing and keep you posted on the added sparkle. Okay then folks, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this. This is Unger Rub Out. We'll bring that up on screen now just so you can see it. It's just in a different bottle. Now we're going to use that, and we're going to use some bronze wool and a cloth. And the reason we're going to do that is because there's a lot of this mess. I don't know if you can hopefully see that. There's a lot of grey stuff that wouldn't come off with the G101, and it wouldn't come off with the water-fed pole either. So this is the way that you get it off. So basically you've got your Unger Rub Out, and pop some of that onto the bronze wool and start scrubbing. So you'll see yourself, this, hopefully this is coming up on camera, but it's very dark grey, especially in the corners of the framework. But using the rub out, you'll see the difference, hopefully. Now this is what separates you from just being a regular window cleaner. If you can go the extra mile and invest in things like this, bronze wool, Unger Rub Out, that's what's going to make you stand out from the rest. Because there's so many window cleaning companies, especially in my area anyway, that they don't offer this, they don't do it. They just come with the water-fed pole, they'll take off whatever the water-fed pole can, and that's it. But if you're willing to do this, and obviously you charge accordingly, then you can get results like that. So this is why I try and encourage people not to just stick to one thing, not just stick to water-fed pole or just stick to trad. Use the two of them. I've used the water-fed pole today to get the majority of the dirt off, but there are things that water-fed pole can't remove. So you can see, hopefully bring that up on camera here, the difference between that and that. Huge difference. So we'll get some more of our Unger Rub Out and just get this bit as well. It gives the customer that wow factor as well, doesn't it? When they come and inspect their windows, and not only is all the green algae and spider webs and all that stuff off, but all this grey, dark rubbish comes off of the frame as well. And it doesn't take long. I mean, how long have I spent on this? A minute, 2 minutes? Something like that. And then just give it a wipe with your cloth. And look at that, it's absolutely amazing, this stuff. I cannot speak highly enough of Unger Rub Out. It is so good, really, really good. It just gets rid of everything just about. So there you are folks, completely restored to white instead of grey. Now some of this is actually just chips in the actual framework, so we can't really do much with chips and actual damage. But for dirt, then you can go that extra mile and use things like this. So lovely. So that's the job completed, squidgy slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers. So the frames have been restored, the glass has been restored to pretty much brand new. So if you go that little extra mile, number one, obviously you can charge a bit more. So it's, I guess, a bit of an add-on service doing the restoration of the frames and the glass. So if you offer to remove things like paint, silicone, cement, or that grey residue that was on the PVC frame, things like that, it really makes you stand out from the crowd. You know, if there's probably not a lot of companies, I would presume, in your area that go to that extent to try and get windows absolutely amazing. Now, obviously, not every single customer is probably going to want that level of clean. Some may just want a basic clean, so you could obviously include that in your package. Have a basic window cleaning package where you just come along and use either traditional methods or water-fed pole, and it's just a wipe of the frames and sills, and that's basically it. Now, if you go that extra mile and do what I would say is a deluxe package or a deep clean, then obviously you take longer, but you charge more. But then you have to also invest in things like bronze wool, Unger Rub Out, and stuff like that. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed the video today. That is us doing a frame and glass restoration. So yes, indeed, folks, go that extra mile. Do something that most others don't. charge a bit more, and you'll stand out from the rest. Okay then folks, thank you very much for tuning in, much appreciated once again, and I'll see you in the next video. You take care, be good, and bye for now.